Hi, I am Dr. K Hazra. Today, I'll be instructing you how to do a good yoga and relieve your blood pressure, sugar control, anxiety, and sleep disorders. First, sit comfortably in Sukhasana or Padmasana with your spine tall and shoulders relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees in Gyan Mudra, index finger and thumb touching. Close your eyes and take natural breaths to settle down. Now, for Anulam and Bilam, close the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale through the left for 4 counts. Close both nostrils. Hold the breath for 4 counts. Kumbhaka. Release the right nostrils and exhale slowly for 8 counts and repeat on other side. Practice for 10 to 15 minutes, maintaining rhythmic, controlled breathing throughout.
Now inhale through the right. Closing the right, exhale left. Inhale again through the left. And exhale through the right. Again inhaling through the right.
Pranayama or pranayam regulates the autonomic nervous system, lowers blood pressure, improves oxygen delivery to the heart, brain, and the muscle. It helps in stabilizing your blood sugar levels through stress reduction. In blood pressure control, slow deep breathing activates the vagus nerve, thus reducing the hypertension of blood pressure. In sugar control, it improves the insulin sensitivity, lowers the insulin resistance. Thus, it lowers the A1C, fasting, and PP sugar. In heart rate regulation, the tachycardia or increased heart rate is detrimental to the heart. It lowers the resting heart rate. It brings a smooth control of your heart rate. As far as the lung strength is concerned, if you do this breathing exercise, is very useful for asthmatic patients, COPD patients, and those who are recovering from big surgeries. For the mental clarity, it lowers down your anxiety tone. You start feeling better. The quality of life improves. Also helps in digestions. Overall, it brings a sense of well-being to your physical health, mental health, and spiritual health. So practice yoga and practice this every day for some time, whatever suits you, and continue lifelong. So now I will explain how to do Dhanurasana, bow pose. To perform this pose, follow the steps. Lie flat on your stomach with arms alongside the body and palms facing up. Exhale and bend both knees, bringing the heels towards the buttocks. Reach back with both hands and grasp the ankles firmly, not the feet. Inhale and simultaneously lift the chest off the floor and raise the thighs. Pull the ankles up and back to deepen the bow shape. Gaze forward. Keep breathing steadily in this pose The breath will rock you gently. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then exhale and release slowly. Repeat it 2 to 3 times. It gives a lot of benefits, especially to your skeletal muscle, pancreas, kidney, and the stomach. Pancreatic massage gives extra juice to your digestions, so you feel better as far as the digestive function is concerned. It improves the spinal flexibility, chest and shoulder stiffness, and the breathing difficulty. Kidney, as I said, it has got some potential benefits on your internal organs in the abdomen. It also helps in metabolic boost, reducing your blood sugar, A1C level, and blood pressure control. So do it regularly and don't hurt yourself. That is going to benefit your overall health. You feel good, you have better smile, you will have better stomach and better soul. Thank you.